This is a chicken manure mixed with soil. I want to show you how to plant a sweet potato at home. If you don't have a farm, you can plant at home. So today I want to show you how to plant a sweet potato just at home. See very well. I'm starting. This is a chicken manure. So follow me so that I can show you how to plant a sweet potato at home. Yeah, we are putting soil in the bag. As you can see, this is the soil mixed with manure, chicken manure. So stage one, we are putting the soil in the bag, just one bag. This is what we have done. So we are waiting for the result, and you also wait for the results. I will continue showing you the result. Each stage I will show you how this sweet potato is doing. This is what we have done today. Thank you for watching.